Yes, so my country people, I agree to now. I beg if you know say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Arsenal 1 and Manchester City 0. Okay, you know say this game, many people they expect say Man City go flog Arsenal because they don't dey flog Arsenal they come since 2015. But today Arsenal can change up for them. Maybe they look that Arsenal less. I mean, what do you think say happen to City for today match?
Actually, waiting I see say happen for this match. I don't lie for you. I'm Arsenal fan, die-hard fan, but Rodri wey no dey, it create a big vacuum for the midfield. So, I mean, I know say Arsenal at least, if not draw, but I believe say Arsenal will win this match because compare the midfielder, our own midfielder with their midfielder. Our midfielder, I believe, say na him solid pass. So, I expect nothing less, either win or draw from Arsenal for this match.
So what do you get to talk about the officiating? How you see that tackle when Kovacic tackle Martin Odegaard, and after that one, into another tackle with Declan Rice. You think say the ref get those calls right with those you know say give a yellow card for one, the other one no give a yellow card. You think say Kovacic supposed to get red card for this match?
So that even the first attempt na red card because I still watch one match, is it Tottenham match where they match the person, they give am a yellow card, Abosuma. As they go review am again, na that kind of match, na red card. So me, I was expecting red card. At the time, he put a yellow card. I understand because if you give am red card, he go like spoil the match. Go want to dey throw the card anyhow. But that second one, it's supposed to, as in, supposed to just give her the red card because na still rough. But now only the referee they know why they do it like that. I see say they try to play hanky panky. Even if you still watch him, I see you get one dribble where Gabriel Jesus dribble for inside that 18. Hanky clearer. Normally it's supposed to be penalty, but they still find one way or the other to waive am. But last, Arsenal still overcome. They win the match.
So what do you get to talk about Mikel Arteta and the tactics so far? You know, say some people they call him say this guy an IT coach, based on saying no get experience before him collect the Arsenal work. But what do you get to talk about the manager with what you don't see so far since when he become Arsenal manager?
Many people they look and say he coach under Pep. So they feel say at least Pep go dey beat all the time. But they forget one thing, say he first dey for Everton, which is what do they call this man? David Moyes. From Everton, he can't go Arsenal. And then when he dey Arsenal, I say Wenger they build am up. If you look at carry the captain bag, give am quick. At the same time, if you watch their training, na him they talk to most of the game based on him. So when Arteta Pep can't go be coach, you know surprise me when Pep call him say make he come be assistant. I was like, he gets waiting all the happen for the underground. So last wetin I go talk be say Oga at times in assistant or in boy, finally they end up the pass am. Most of the Oga they need to show their boy everything because they know say if they show their boy everything, he go end up the bitter. But Pep was too confident, as in he rely on Arteta. If you watch some of the match, last season I come watch some of the match, if they get some talk when he wan talk, Arteta no dey there. Arteta e just like say invisible, so that there's this hole inside of am. So Arteta go good pass am, but na with time. Gradual process. Me I dey see am say Arteta tactics in analysis and everything, e dey different. Just look at the goalkeepers, two number one goalkeeper. He dey pick anyone he want, as in dey watch on the match which one he want. So he's a different coach. He no dey do like Pep Guardiola, but he dey under am. But Pep Guardiola never do that kind of thing before. And there was one thing he said that against Fulham wey we draw 2-2. He say he almost comot the keeper for that after we dey win 2-1 because he see something. And if you look at that corner, they come use scores because Raya dey always come outside come carry ball. While Ramsdale he go sit down for post. So that's the difference. So he's a coach that he knows what he's doing, but he just need time.
So now which player be your man of the match for today's performance?
Man of the match, I'll give am to Jesus. Gabriel Jesus was he dey even dey play defense. He dey go front everything that the guy play. You know say they pursue am, like they no give am the chance for Man City. So he wan prove himself and he really play. He play. Na him I give man of the match.
So what do you get to talk about the team performance today without one of the star man, Bukayo Saka? You think say the team miss Saka for today's game?
Actually, they miss Saka. He show. But me, I don't really want him to play. I don't want me to rush him because Chelsea match is the Champions League day. So at least other players too, they be player. So make them, make them use other player. I like as they no use am. I don't want to make the rush am based on since last season that guy don't too play match. He don't too play match. So they need other people. Even this January, make them buy for that win. So that they will know how they go to shuffle am. For the guy who good.
So what do you think about Kai Havertz performance today? We know say they are among one of the three players when Mikel Arteta put once, Tomiyasu, Kai Havertz, and Thomas Partey. Especially Kai Havertz, because we know say many Arsenal fans don't talk plenty things about Kai Havertz this season so far. But what do you get to talk about the German performance today?
The German performance today was excellent. Today, though actually right from time, me in particular, I always dey say make dem give am time, make dem give am time because to comot from Chelsea where they play boom boom boom, come Arsenal and knocking. So it takes time for you to blend. You know just a rush dey blend. So even the back to back, they always dey prove himself. If you look which match we play where we say they call it as 9. E still show say player dey there, yes. E show say player dey there, though he miss chances, but e show say present dey there. E get this, I no understand, e get this luck. Anytime the guy dey, ball dey meet am one way or the other. But today, the guy prove himself. Na him give the assist now. Na him give the assist. So he play well to me. It was excellent.
So Arsenal next game after the international break now against Chelsea. What do you dey expect from your team for that game and wetin be your score prediction?
Arsenal go beat them normally. Chelsea no fit start Arsenal based on this power we see, and we go unleash our star boy for them. And Saka dey always score anytime we reach Chelsea. I don't know how they do am, but he always find the back of the net. So the prediction wey I look at, I say Chelsea don pick 4, they don dey score gradually. So if it be 3-1, at 3-1 I look the score. Yes.
All right, now, guy, Daffy, thank you for your